Have you ever turned on your Sony TV, connected your PlayStation, streaming stick, or cable box, only to see the frustrating message HDMI No Signal? You know the device is powered on. The cable looks fine. Yet your TV acts like nothing is connected. Before you spend money on a new HDMI cable, a repair technician, or even a new TV, stop right there. Because in the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact fixes that solve HDMI. No signal issues on Sony TVs in most cases, and fix number 4 is the one almost everyone overlooks. Let's get started.
Let's start with fastest solution.
Check the correct HDMI input. This sounds incredibly simple, but it fixes thousands of TVs every single day. Look at the back or side of your TV. You'll usually see ports labeled HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4. Now check where your device is plugged in. If your PlayStation is connected to HDMI 2, but your TV is currently set to HDMI 1, you'll only see a no signal message. Here's how to fix it. Press the Input, Source, or TV Input button on your Sony remote. Cycle through every HDMI input one by one. Pause on each input for about 5 to 10 seconds. Sometimes the TV needs a moment to detect the connected device. If you're lucky, the picture appears instantly. If not, move on to the next fix. Inspect the HDMI cable. The HDMI cable is often the hidden culprit. Over time, cables become bent loose, damaged, worn out. Even a tiny internal break can stop video transmission while the cable still looks perfectly normal. Start by unplugging both ends of the HDMI cable. Then reconnect them firmly. You should feel a secure click. If possible, try another HDMI cable. If you have a certified high-speed or ultra-high-speed HDMI cable, use that instead. Cheap or damaged cables often fail to carry stable video signals, especially with 4K resolution, HDR 120 Hz gaming, Dolby Vision, if replacing the cable fixes the problem. Congratulations! You just saved yourself an expensive repair. Still seeing no signal? Let's keep going!
Restart both the TV and connected device. Electronic devices sometimes get stuck during the HDMI handshake process. A simple restart refreshes that communication. Here's the correct way. Turn off Sony TV game console streaming device cable box. Now unplug both devices from power. Wait at least 60 seconds. This allows leftover electricity to drain completely. Reconnect the power. Turn on the TV first. Wait until it fully loads. Then power on the connected device. This sequence helps the HDMI connection establish correctly. Many users are surprised that this simple restart solves the issue immediately. But if it doesn't, there's another important fix. Try another HDMI port. Here's the fix many people skip. Sony TVs usually include multiple HDMI ports. Sometimes only one port develops a problem. Move the HDMI cable from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2 or HDMI 3. Then switch your TV input accordingly. If the picture suddenly appears, you've confirmed that the original HDMI port may be faulty. The great news? You can continue using another HDMI port without replacing the TV. If every HDMI port shows no signal, let's check the connected device itself.
Now I'm curious, which fix worked for your Sony TV, or are you still seeing the HDMI No Signal message after trying everything? Let me know in the comments, because your experience might help someone else solve the same problem.